Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial of mine in which I'm taking on how to convert your Scratch games to HTML. Ready to dive right in. So firstly, you go to Google and search for HTML file, HTML file. Then you click on the ship tester link. Then right here, this is the online one, but you can also download the offline version. So select your Scratch file right here. Select your Scratch game. Then after that, you skip this. Here you make it. What is your game about? Mine is about snake. I'm going to write in snake game. What is Scratch cards? Frames per second 30. Yeah, frames per second 30. And then you just choose your type icon, like the logo of the game. So I'm going with this. The background image, I'm also going with. And make sure this check bar, you check this check box. Just check this one. You don't check this one. Then this the check box. I'm not going to check anything there. And while the project is loading, what image you show or file or whatever. So while your game is loading, you can either choose the logo of your game. So I just like to create something so simple. Yeah, I'm going with that. Yeah, since your image is, you also use an online image, you can copy your the URL here. But since I'm not using that, I'm using an offline image. As I checked out the video. And here you leave it the way it is. Then let's see the others. And you also leave the others the way they are. Leave them the way they are. So about if you want the zip file, you can click it here. Want the zip file, you can click here. But since since we don't need the zip file, I let you just click on the HTML file. So it will now you can see right here it is downloading the that's converted it to HTML. So now I'm going to open this HTML. Alright guys, how does it check the file out? So it has downloaded and this is it. So you can just load you can just easily play it as an HTML file. That makes so amazing guys. So if you like this video and want more of this amazing video, I want you to click the notification bell, so click the subscribe button and also comment and share to your friends. See you in my next tutorial guys.